Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable auto update plugin on SiteGround. Just tap on my Safari browser. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan for web hosting. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. And after you creating an account of SiteGround, to update your WordPress version before the scheduled time, simply go to your tool settings and WordPress, tab on auto update and select update now. So after next, in the auto update settings, you can control how soon after a new version is released you like to get your WordPress auto updated, and whether the plugin in your installation should be updated together with the main WordPress update. So this is how you can enable auto update on SiteGround. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.